Guys, it's James Daner with ProjectRE, and today we are at our development site where we're going to discuss how to build a single family house, an ADU, and a DADU all on one single family lot. So the first step you need to take is go talk to your local city or jurisdiction. You need to verify whether they'll even allow you to do an ADU or DADU on your next site. So the second step you need to do is find your architect that can help you verify and push the plans through the city. When we're looking at sites, we want to be able to send it over to our architect. They can verify what we can build, then we can run the proper analytics and comps to support our values for our performa. So the third thing you need to make sure you do is verify your build costs. If you don't know how much you can build this structure for, the deal could be a great deal or a bad deal. So verify what you're going to build for. What you need is a great construction lender. They can fund this deal and help you finance the construction costs. Remember, when you're out building, it costs substantially more than remodeling a house. That's going to require more construction debt and more down payments. So always make sure that you have the right lenders so you don't run out of liquidity during your project. And lastly, what you need is a good land use attorney. Once you're done building out your single family house, your DADU and your ADU, you need to be able to condo those off so you can sell them separately. So find your good land use attorney that understands what you're doing so they can handle that process for you and you don't jeopardize your sale.